everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about Ansible and how it is used in DevOps and its basic components. Ansible is an open source IT automation engine. It is used to automate tasks like cloud provisioning, configuration management, application deployment, and orchestration. One of the key advantages of Ansible is that it works in an agentless manner, meaning we don't need to install any software on target machine. It follows a push-based model where the control node connect to managed nodes using SSH and execute tasks. Ansible uses YAML-based playbooks, which are the easy to read and write, making it beginner friendly. Next, we will see what is Ansible inventory. This slide explains Ansible inventory, which is a list of all target machines managed by Ansible. The operator connects to the Ansible server using SSH, where playbooks and inventory files are stored. Ansible is an agentless, so no software is needed on target machine. It connects to the Linux VMs using SSH and Windows VMs using WinRAM. So inventory helps Ansible identify and manage multiple systems easily from single server. Ansible mainly uses three technologies. First, YAML, which is used to write playbooks, inventories, and variables. It is simple and human readable. Second, Python, which is used internally and also for creating custom modules. Third, Jinja 2, which is a templating engine used to create dynamic configuration files. Together, this makes an Ansible flexible and powerful. Key files in Ansible. In Ansible, we work with several important files. Playbook files with extension .yml or .yaml. It defines automation tasks. Inventory files like host or inventory.ini. It lists all the managed nodes. Variable files such as group vars and host vars stores values used in playbooks. Roles helps to organize large projects by grouping tasks, files, and variables. Modules are reusable scripts that perform specific action on remote system. In this slide, we will understand some basics of YAML. YAML means yet another markup language. Every YAML file usually starts with hyphen to indicate the beginning. Indentation is very important and we use space only, not tabs. YAML is case sensitive. It uses key value pairs written as key colon value. Lists are represented using hyphen. These are the rules helps structure the playbooks properly. Next we will going to see YAML examples. This is a simple example of YAML playbook. Here we define a task to install Apache on web servers. We specify the host group, enables privilege escalation using begin, and then define task. Each task has a name and uses a module like apt to install packages. This structure makes automation easy and readable. Ansible core components. Ansible has several core components, modules, playbooks, roles, handlers, facts. Modules are small programs that perform tasks like installing packages or managing services. Playbooks are collection of tasks executed in order. Roles are reusable components that organize task and configuration. Handlers are special tasks that run only when changes occur, like restarting a service. Facts are system details collected from nodes such as IP address or OS. These components work together to automate infrastructure. This is a sample comment. Here, some commonly used Ansible commands. To test connection, we use ping module. To run a playbook, we use Ansible playbook command. To check mode, allows use to simulate execution without making changes. We can also limit execution to specific hosts and we can specify inventory files during execution. These commands are essential for working with Ansible. This is an example Ansible playbook. This is a complete example for playbook. It installs Apache, updates the package cache, and starts the service. It also ensures that service is enabled on startup. This demonstrates how Ansible automates multiple tasks in a simple and structured way. Thank you.